So, where's your mom?
This, guy she met in college. Her first boyfriend. She, left my dad to go live with him. They're in Florida now, I think.
I was worried that your dad was going to leave my mom and then she'd have to start all over again. I prayed that he'd be a good guy because that's all I want. I just don't want her to be hurt again.
Two more dinners.